Hey, what's up? My name is Dorian and this is What's in the Box. We're talking about the Dji Mavic Mini. This is my drone at the moment. It's the first one. And yeah, I mean, I was going to talk about the negatives, but the thing is this drone is so good. I have to tell you the good things. So you may want to buy it. This is the case that comes with the Fly More combo. It comes with inside it has a compartment for the drone, the remote controller, and the battery pack. So let's talk about each of them. First of all, let's talk about the battery pack. It has 3 slots in it. I'm missing one here because it's in the drone, but you can charge all 3 at the same time, and that's just so useful. You can just put them all 3 in, and just plug it in, let it charge, and it will charge all 3. You won't do it at the same time. It will charge firstly. It will charge the one with more battery left, so you have one full charge ready as soon as possible, and then the next and the next. So yeah, this is really useful, and you can use it as a battery pack to charge your remote or your phone or anything else you want. Here has the remote control. It's folded, so you just unfold these flaps. It has the joysticks in here. You just pull them off, screw them in, and you just have the antennas here. You unfold it, and yeah, that's about it. That's a remote. Here has a cable in the side, and actually it comes with 3 different ones. I have 2 extra here, 2 extra cables. Each of them is for a different type of phone. Here we have one that uses for micro USB phones, USB type C, and the one I have for my iPhone, the lightning cable. So that just plugs in here and goes to your phone, and then you mount your phone here. You just plug it in, put them between these side flaps, just press it a little bit, and yeah, let me open the app, and yeah, that's about it. That'd be the remote control for the Dji Mavic Mini 1. Let's put it to the side, and yeah, the start of the show, the Dji Mavic Mini. It folds really small. It's such a small phone. I mean, actually, let me compare it to my phone. Just pull it out for a second, and yeah, just compare it to the iPhone 13 Pro. Just look at the difference. It's about the same size as an iPhone 13 Pro, normal version, no the Max. And yeah, I mean, it's awesome. You just unfold it, and then these other 2 wings, and then you have a cover here to protect the camera. You gotta be careful with it. It's a 3-axis gimbal, so you gotta be very careful with it. And it has 2 sensors at the bottom. It uses them for high precision mapping, and that's about it. I mean, you have here some extra stuff like extra propellers and screws, just in case you break one or lose one. And here at the back is where the battery goes in. To be honest, without the battery, it's so light. I mean, it's just incredible. You have to feel it to believe it. And then the micro SD card goes in here. Just push it in and it comes out. And yeah, the micro SD and micro USB for charging. I don't use this micro USB at all, to be honest. I usually just, since I have this battery pack charger, I just put all 3 batteries at the same time and just let them charge for a while. And yeah, this is about it. And you have the batteries, you have the controller, and yeah, and the case. To be honest, this is very useful. I carry it with me all the time. And one of the good things about this drone is actually the size and how portable it is. You can take it with you anywhere, and To be honest, I have friends that have bigger drones, DJI drones. I think DJI is probably the top drone seller at the moment, and they just have good quality stuff. And they have like the Mavic Pro, for example. It's a bigger drone, it's heavier, and the remote is the same. So it's just about the drone. And the thing is, because it's bigger, and they usually carry like a bottle of water if you go to the mountain, and you take a bottle of water, you take some food, you take your tripod to take photos, and they cannot fit the drone, or it's heavy, or so they don't take it. So how is a drone? Do you think a drone is useful if you won't take it with you? So yeah, that's the thing about this one. It's because it's so small, you will take it every time you go out. So you're very willing to use it, and yeah, I mean, I'll show you how to connect the drone. You just put your phone. Just plug it in the remote, just put it in there, and that's it. And now you open the DJI Fly app. It's in Spanish, sorry for that. I'm from Spain and I use my stuff in Spanish here. So to turn the drone on, you have to press one time, release, and long press until you hear a beep. So or the drone actually starts like moving or making little sounds. So it's one press, one long press. Now it's moving, it's alive, makes a noise, makes some beeping. The camera starts, you can tell the camera is now it's actually not stabilized yet, but yeah, it's about to be stabilized. For the remote, same thing. It's one short press and then a long press. Short, long, keep, hold. Okay, the beep. Now it says here, you press connection, select your drone, has different drones here. So, and I click on the Mavic Mini, the one says camera view, it's pressing there, and yeah, that's it. That's about it. Yeah, now the camera's stabilized. I hope you can see it. So awesome. Like the 3-axis stabilization is unbelievable. I will play some videos for you, and you'll see how good it is. I mean, it's so good, so stabilized. If you want to take a video or photo, quick shot. Photo, you have a lot of settings. You can shoot in auto or pro. When you shoot in pro, you have a lot of like settings like shutter speed, ISO, and like, so you can touch a lot of things, and even the aspect ratio or the temperature. And same for the video, you have auto mode or you have manual mode. In the pro mode, you can select different settings. Here in the Mavic Mini, you don't have that many settings as you do in the Mavic Mini 2, because of the type of sensor that's small, and it doesn't have as many options. So yeah, and then you can shoot 2.7K or Full HD. At 2.7K you have less frame rate options. You have only 24, 25 and 30, while for Full HD 1080p you have 24, 25, 30, 48, 50, 60. And same for the, as I said before, for the photos, you have the temperature control, and you have the quick shots. These are very useful. It won't let me use them right now because I'm not flying, so I cannot show you, but there are 4 different ones for this drone, and yeah, they're awesome. They're very, very easy to use. I like to fly manually now because I can go farther, can go higher, I can get like more like epic shots. So yeah, I mean, you'll start doing that like very soon once you start flying the drone. It's very easy to learn. The learning curve is, I mean, it's just so simple, and it has so many controls and like settings. You can just set any like max altitude, max distance. Even if you lose a drone, you can just set it so it will return by itself to the starting point. Thing is, with this drone, the only negatives I could actually say are the micro USB here in the drone. I don't use it, so it's actually not a negative for me, but for some people might be. So you don't have to carry as many cables, and if you want to charge the drone through the, like straight to like with the battery inside the drone. And the the size of the sensor, when you're shooting in low light, sometimes it's not that great, and the pictures, if you're far away and you want to zoom in, it's not that high quality. The videos are great at 2.7K, but when you want to shoot 4K for all your videos, might be a problem sometimes for you. So yes, that's about it. I could ask for like follow mode, but the thing is, this drone, because it doesn't have many sensors like superior drones, it won't allow to follow like a follow mode. But you can always use a third-party app. Since this is like a very popular drone, there are many third-party apps that use their SDK and can connect to this drone and do like a follow mode, automatic mode, like waypoints. And yeah, I haven't tested those yet, but I will soon do it. And so if you like to see that, leave a comment below. And yeah, I mean that's about it for the interface. You have a lot of controls. You can control the camera, you can control the gimbal, you can control the let's say the speed of the drone, so it reacts faster. Or you want to shoot like a cinematic video, you just put in Cine and it will go really slow when it moves. The camera, like you can change the aspect ratio, and you can see here the signal, if it's good or not, the satellites. As I said, I'm inside right now, so it won't take as many, like it won't take satellites, or even it won't even let you fly. It will just stay like a static fly mode. So hope you enjoyed it. This is the very good things of this drone. I could keep talking for a while. I could be here hours talking about how good this drone is. But hopefully this is a good introductory video to this Dji Mavic Mini. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want to stay tuned and don't miss out on my next videos. Thank you and keep watching.